Theorem 6.1 Basic Proportionality Theorem. This theorem is also known as Thales theorem. The statement of this theorem is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. We shall prove this theorem, and to prove this theorem, let's draw the figure first. In this figure, ABC is the triangle and DE is the line intersecting AB at D, AC at E, and this line DE is parallel to BC. So, given informations, triangle ABC and DE is parallel to BC. Intersecting AB and AC at D and E respectively. We have to prove that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AD by DB equal to AE by EC. To prove this result, we need to do some construction here in this figure. So, construction join BE and DC and draw DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB. Join BE and DC like this, and from this point D draw perpendicular to AC, and from this point E draw perpendicular EN to side AB. Now we shall start the proof. Area of triangle formula is half into base into height. So area of triangle ADE equal to half into base AD into altitude EN. So half into AD into altitude En, and area of triangle BDE. Area of triangle BDE is half into base BD or DB into altitude En. This En is drawn perpendicular from this point E to the side AB. So En is altitude on AD and also En is altitude on BD. This triangle BDE is an obtuse triangle, that's why its altitude drawn from this vertex E on the side DB is outside of the triangle. And area of triangle ADE equal to half into side base AE into altitude DM. And area of triangle DEC equal to half into base EC into altitude DM. This En is perpendicular on side AB, so En is altitude on side AD and also En is altitude on side BD. Similarly, DM is drawn perpendicular to AC, so that's why DM is altitude on side AE and also DM is altitude on side EC drawn from the vertex D on the side EC. Therefore, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE equal to half into AD into En by half into DB into En. Half cancel, En cancel. So this is equal to AD by DB. So area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE equal to AD by DB. Let it be number 1. And area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC equal to half into AE into DM by half into EC into DM. Half cancel, DM cancel, so it is equal to AE by EC. So we can write area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC equal to AE by EC, and let it be number 2. In figure you see triangle BDE and triangle DEC. They are the two triangles on the same base DE, and DE is parallel to BC. So triangles BDE and DEC are on the same base DE and between the same parallels DE and BC. Therefore, areas of triangles BDE and DEC are equal. Now, triangle BDE and triangle DEC are on the same base DE and between the same parallels DE and BC. So, area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DEC. Therefore, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE, left side of equation number 1, and area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC is left side of equation number 2. And here we have proved that this left side is equal to this left side. Therefore, from 1 and 2 we have AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Corollary: if in a triangle ABC D is parallel to BC, then AD by AB equal to AE by AC. So we shall prove these results. D is parallel to BC since DE is parallel to BC. Therefore, we have AD by DB equal to AE by EC. This we have written from basic proportionality theorem that says if DE is parallel to BC, then AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Now apply invertendo on both sides, means write the reciprocals of both sides. So it is DB by AD equal to EC by AE. Now add 1 to both sides. So 1 plus DB by AD equal to 1 plus EC by AD. 1 plus DB by AD equal to 1 plus EC by AE. 1 plus dB by AD is AD plus dB by AD, and 1 plus EC by AE is AE plus EC by AE. Now see in the figure, AD plus dB. AD plus dB is AB. So AB by AD equal to AE plus EC. AE plus EC is AC. So AC by AE. Now again applying invertendo, we have AD by AB is equal to AE by AC, and this way, using basic proportionality theorem, we have proved this result, that if DE is a line parallel to BC, one side of the triangle, then the other two sides are divided, like AD by AB equal to AE by AC. Similarly, we can prove this second result like this. DE parallel to BC, therefore we can write AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Add up 1 to both sides, and on adding 1 on both sides we get AD by DB plus 1 equal to AE by EC plus 1. AD by DB plus 1 is AD plus DB by DB equal to AE by EC plus 1 is AE plus EC by EC. Now see in the figure, AD plus DB is AB and AE plus EC is AC. So this implies AB by DB is equal to AC by EC. Now again applying invertendo, we have DB by AB equal to EC by AC. So this way we have proved that in a triangle, if DE is parallel to BC, then AD by full side AB is equal to AE by full side AC, and DB by full side AB is equal to EC by full side AC.